So the winter season is upon us in the southern hemisphere, and I started seeing more people with coughs and colds. What I wanted to say today is that antibiotics should not be used for coughs, not in the fear of potential bacterial infection. There are so many things that can be done, and the body is so strong. There are herbs, there are homeopathics, there are breathing exercises. There is just general immune support and antioxidants so that bacteria don't breed in your body and you recover from a cough easily. The background work that should be done is to strengthen the body in general, strengthen your digestion, because the lung meridian and the colon meridian, they are of the same metal element. They affect each other a lot. Having that wisdom from the traditional Chinese medicine is super, super important, and looking after your body holistically, not just addressing the skin issue or the respiratory issue or the digestive issue. We're one big symbiotic organism with lots of bacteria living in us, which do a lot of work for us. And we can't just use antibiotic and eliminate everything bad and good and then hope for the best. So we need to support all the things that live in us and nurture the goodies, create the environment that's not conducive for the growth of the baddies.